Bosses in the baking industry. This toast and bread baking machine is a powerful tool in the industry. It has an intelligent recognition system, can quickly grab bread, and accurately bake. It is fully automated. Whether it is soft sweetbread or crispy baguette, it can handle it perfectly. The packaging is neat and beautiful, which greatly improves packaging efficiency and reduces defective products, allowing you to seize the initiative in market competition. We are the source supplier of food packaging machines, providing any food packaging methods and professional customization capabilities to make your products more satisfying to customers in terms of packaging.
For more, subscribe to my YouTube channel.